Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to find subtitles using VLC so you can easily download and sync subtitles for your movies and shows. Now let's get started. Step 1. Select the movie or show you want to watch and open it in VLC Media Player, because subtitles are searched based on the video that is currently playing. This helps VLC detect the correct title and duration. Step 2. Ensure your computer is connected to the internet, since VLC uses an online database to find available subtitle files. Without internet access, the subtitle search will not work. A stable connection gives faster and more accurate results. Step 3. Click on View in the top menu of VLC, which contains additional tools and extensions for playback. This menu is located on the upper bar of the player window. It allows you to access features not visible on the main screen. Step 4. Select VLsub from the drop-down menu, which is a built-in extension used to search and download subtitles directly inside VLC. It opens a separate window for subtitle searching. This tool saves time compared to downloading subtitles manually. Step 5. In the VLsub window, click on Search by Name, which looks for subtitles using the video title. This option is useful when the file name matches the movie or show. Step 6. Choose a subtitle that matches your video format from the results, paying attention to language, file name, and synchronization details. Picking the correct one ensures subtitles appear at the right time. Wrong selections may cause delay issues. Step 7. Click on the subtitle to select it from the list, which highlights your choice for download. This confirms which file will be applied to your video. Step 8. Click on Download selection to download and automatically apply the subtitle to your video, allowing you to watch with captions instantly. VLC will load the subtitle without restarting the video. You can now enjoy your content with proper text. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.